case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division was faced with a unique property case, Millbrook Hunt, Inc. v. Smith, centered around the concept of easements, which essentially act as permanent permission slips for individuals to use another person's land for a specific purpose. This case involved a 1987 agreement between Edgar O. Smith and the Millbrook Hunt, an organization dedicated to traditional fox hunting which permitted the hunt to use Smith's 285-acre property in the town of Stanford for their activities. However, in 1995, Smith ejected members of the hunt from his property while they were performing maintenance work on their hunting trails. Subsequently, the hunt filed a lawsuit seeking a judgment declaring they had an easement over Smith's property and to prevent him from interfering with their use of the easement. Smith argued that the agreement only granted a revocable license, which he had already terminated. The central question before the court was whether the hunt had an easement or a mere license and whether Smith had the right to terminate it. In its decision, the court affirmed that the hunt maintained an easement over Smith's property and dismissed all of Smith's counterclaims and affirmative defenses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.